Welcome to my channel Learning Electronic Circuits. Today I am going to talk about two simple LED circuits. We'll learn how to wire a simple LED circuit and learn how to calculate the series resistance connected to the LED and find out the current flowing through it. We'll also learn how to drive an LED using a transistor. To light an LED, an electrical circuit called an LED driver circuit is used. Simple LED driver circuits are used to drive smaller LEDs such as indicator LEDs, fancy light LEDs, etc. Whereas more complex circuits are used to drive high power LEDs. The circuit should provide enough current to light up an LED to its maximum brightness, but also limit the current to prevent damaging the LED. Simple LED circuit. A suitable value of a series resistor in the circuit is chosen using the LED series resistor calculation formula. One lead of the resistor is connected to the anode terminal of the LED. The cathode terminal of the LED is connected to the negative pole of the battery or voltage source. The other lead of the resistor is connected to the positive pole of the battery or voltage source. Now the LED lights up. When the LED terminals are connected in the reverse direction, it does not glow and thus it acts as a diode. Calculation to find the series resistance of an LED circuit. The series resistor value of a simple LED driver circuit is calculated on the basis of Ohm's law, V equal to IR. It is rewritten as R equal to V by I. The resistance of the LED circuit is calculated by the formula R equal to V power minus V LED minus V switch by I LED. To find the current flow through an LED, it is calculated by the formula I LED equal to V power minus V LED minus V switch by R, where R is the resistance in ohms, V power is the power supply voltage in volts, V LED is the forward voltage drop across a LED in volts, which is between 1.8 to 3.3 volts. V switch is the voltage drop across the switch, either mechanical switch or transistor switch in volts. Voltage drop across the mechanical switch is taken as 0. VCE or collector emitter saturation voltage in the transistor datasheet is taken as the transistor voltage drop. ILED is the current flowing through the LED in amps. The normal current flow through a small indicator LED is around 5 to 20 milliamps. Driving an LED using a transistor switch. The transistor can be used to drive an LED. A suitable series resistor is chosen to work with a supply voltage of 9 volts. One lead of the resistor is connected to the anode terminal of the LED. The cathode of the LED is connected to the collector of an NPN transistor. The emitter of the NPN transistor is connected to the negative terminal of the voltage source or battery. Now connect the other lead of the resistor to the positive pole of the voltage source. Extend the base lead of the transistor using a wire. Also extend the positive lead similarly using a wire. Place these wires next to each other. Touch these wires using your fingers. The LED turns on. Working of a transistor switch. The touching of the two wires using the fingers will cause a small current to pass through the fingers from the positive terminal of the voltage source to the base of the transistor. This small voltage at the base of the transistor causes the transistor to conduct and turn on. The collector of the transistor shows a negative potential, and thus the current flows from the positive voltage source through the resistor, the LED, and to the ground. This flow of current powers up the LED and it glows.